Excellencies, friends, I thank UNFCCC for the invitation to participate in today's event. I also want to acknowledge UNFCCC's hard work engaging with multiple partners across many sectors to deliver on climate action. Addressing the carbon impact of the events industry is an essential measure that industry professionals need to take seriously if they want to adhere to growing public concern about climate change. Although the events industry is not often scrutinized as a large contributor to carbon emissions, the concern and impact it has on the environment is real. My message today is the same as it was then. We have the capacity to beat back the climate crisis and reach net zero if we work together, draw up our ingenuity, and harness the many resources at our disposal. At the General Assembly high-level meeting on delivering climate action that I had hosted on October 26th, we had showcased as to how the sports, fashion, TV, and film industries are increasingly addressing climate concerns. I'm extremely heartened by the events industry setting an example and taking the net zero carbon events initiative to reorient the industry in a more climate-friendly direction. I commend this initiative and would encourage industry leaders to follow through with actions that lead to results. I applaud each of you for laying out your climate and net zero ambitions, and I welcome the clear roadmap and well-defined reporting targets as set out in the Net Zero Carbon Events Pledge. Rest assured that during my presidency of HOPE, I will fully support your efforts to reach those targets, and I will encourage your peers in other industries as well as UN member states to follow your example. As a small islander from the Maldives, one of the most climate vulnerable countries in the world, I have a personal stake in ensuring that we reach our net zero targets. Dear friends, youth across the world understand that they will be the inheritors of the world that we leave behind. I have interacted with many of them during my travels, and they are expressing the same sentiments. They are tired of words unmatched by action. The onus is on us to turn the page, to ensure that we match words with deeds and meet our climate commitments, to work with one another, learn from each other, share best practices, and hold ourselves accountable by setting clear milestones as we aspire our net zero goals. That is how we will do right by our youth. This is how we ensure that they grow up in a world that is not only inhabitable, but thriving and resilient. Trust that I stand with you on your journey to achieving net zero carbon in the events industry. And I hope that you will stand with me as I advocate for greening and bluing the United Nations. I wish you the best of luck in your discussions today and look forward to seeing your initiative grow and its milestones achieved. I thank you.